Okay, so what's up? It is officially my birthday. Big 20 years old, you know. But I just kind of want to take this time to give you a quick tutorial on how to make a custom pair of jeans in 10 minutes or less. I kid you not, 10 minutes or less, right? I have a regular pair of jeans with me, okay? Unedited, uncustomized, whatever. And I got some supplies with me. And I'm going to make a custom out here in the open in 10 minutes or less. Just want to kind of make this to show you guys that you don't need a whole bunch of fancy equipment and stuff like that in order to be creative and to follow your passions and to practice your craft. So yeah, I'm going to hold myself to that philosophy and make this custom. What I'm going to be using is honestly like a hodgepodge stuff. I have these tulip fabric markers. You see, tulip fabric markers. These are permanent. These are really good. I've used them in the past. I love them. I have some miscellaneous Angelus paint. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with it yet. And I got this white, and then I have the black one too. Yeah, so then these Molotov, I don't know how to pronounce it, these markers. They're just acrylic markers, to be honest. And yeah, some miscellaneous pens, pencils. So without further ado, I'm gonna set the timer. And yeah, let's kind of get into this. Alright, done. So that was it really. You know, that's the entire video. I didn't really want to make this too complicated, but I just want to show you guys that you can be creative, you can make customs, you know, express your artistic abilities without having all the fancy materials, without having all the time in the world. As long as you have at least 10 minutes and an imagination, you can do anything, to be honest. You know, don't give yourself excuses about why you can't do something. Really just take the time and ask yourself, are you pushing yourself to do better? You know what I'm saying? I would have added paint splatters, but like I couldn't. Are you kidding me? Now the paint wants to open. That's crazy. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna add some paint splatters real quick. Just kind of. This is real time, so you guys don't think that I'm faking this. As a matter of fact, zoom that out. Yes, it's real time. Okay? So you guys don't think that I'm faking it when I'm saying, like, don't be afraid to just, ah, shoot. Guys, paint. I'm not supposed to be doing this, especially since it's my birthday and stuff like that. I'm supposed to be saying clean. Red is gonna open for me. Red finally opens for me. There we go. Like I said, this is real time. Some down here. Down here. Okay, that's the red. Yellow, you gonna work for me? You gonna work for me, yellow? Oh, yellow works. All right. I like that. All right. Get some yellow up in there. Oh, yeah. Like I said, this is real time. Yellow over here. We got some. All right. Gold, you gonna work for us one more time? Come on. Work it. Oh yeah, there we go. Yeah, so that's really it. Like I literally, maybe I took like 5 more minutes. Yeah, maybe I took like 5 more minutes to add some paint. Now I'm gonna wait another 5. So it took 10 minutes to do the first base of the custom, and then because I finally got the paint open, maybe like another 5-10 minutes. Just as far as actually splattering the paint, and then now waiting for it to dry in the sun so I can put it in my bag without messing up the insides of my bag, But yeah, as a matter of fact, it's probably easier. Just take it like that. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Okay, we control this thing. There we go. So because I gotta go, I'm gonna take that. Take that, fold that into that. There we go. All done. That's it for my video. Happy birthday to me. Stay safe with this coronavirus. Like I still have my mask on. I got my gloves in my bag. But once I get to my house, I'm gonna immediately wash my hands for the 20 seconds. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, don't let anything stop you from being creative, and stay safe.